was getting dark outside, then suddenly it was a little brighter out, and I think it's because of like maybe reflection from the sky, the clouds and whatnot, who knows. But when it starts to look green, it's usually tornadoes and hail, most commonly hail. So there you go. These palm trees are at the Asian store, which is hilarious that they have palm trees here, but that one's blinking for some reason.
They're LEDs.
Yeah. And look at the clouds.
Yeah, I think we need to get home.
Indeed. Wow, look at those clouds. They look really neat. Those are little round dipped clouds. I don't even know what they're called. They're really cool looking. You know, it almost looks like mountains in the background, but it's really not. They're just clouds. I'm actually kind of hoping it rains by the time we get home.
Just to kind of give a frame of reference here, right now we are going west. The sun just set.
Yeah.
In this direction over here.
Towards the black.
And you can see kind of the light in the sky over here, just off to our right, kind of our northwest, as this new storm system begins to roll in.
Yep.
We haven't been home since going out for dinner with some friends to see what the weather forecast is, but considering the weather in the last day and a half, 2 days and a half? 2 days and a half.
Keep in mind, this part of the video is after we've previously been out and then gotten home. We went out to lunch with a friend, went home, and then later, a few hours later, we actually came out to have dinner with a friend. A different set of friends, actually. And now we're on our way home again. So we'll check the weather when we get home.
So, just in the time that we've been talking about it, it has gotten really dark, like in the last just 2 or 3 minutes while we were recording. And off to our left here, you can see the green sky.
Well, I don't know if it's going to show green on the camera, but I promise you, that looks green.
Yeah.
It's a very green-gray.
Which, as we've said earlier, usually an indication of some kind of weather system that can produce either hail or
tornadoes,
violent thunderstorms, or tornadoes. Look how fast that cloud system's moving. You can see it.
What?
See that little curve in that cloud there?
Yeah.
Watch it in comparison to that tree that's kind of sticking up.
Oh wow, it's booking it.
Mm-hmm. And then there's another cloud coming in over here on the left.
Yeah, I see it.
See how fast that system's moving?
this is the conditions we're currently driving in to get home. The sky and the mists kind of look the same. Makes it kind of hard to see. But we're trying to get home.
Yeah, it's also the law.
Is it? Okay.
If your windshield wipers are on, your lights are supposed to be on.
I did not know that. Thank you for that little piece of knowledge. It looks neat. I think the weather always looks really cool and different aspects of it. It's just dangerous. Is that a wall cloud?
That looks like a wall cloud to me.
Could be.
There's a good bit of it coming down.
Yeah, I see the scoop, the little downward thing there. I highly recommend if you ever visit Oklahoma, don't come in May.
Unless this is your thing.
Yeah, unless this is your thing, then by all means, join us for May weather. We occasionally can get them in March and June, but May is like the hot spot.
Well, last year we had one in December.
True, but that was weird. Wow, look at all that rain. I actually love the rain. I just don't like the tornadoes. I mean, the tornadoes are beautiful and it's exciting, but it's also terrifying. Like, we had trees out front here, and they were, like, ripped up out of the ground.
Yeah, a lot of the branches on these trees were torn down. We're going to come up over here. All this brick that's holding up, like, the bushes up here.
Oh, yeah, let me zoom in.
Right in front of us.
That brick. All of that was basically destroyed down.
Yeah, that was torn down. I'm not even sure how that happened.
Yeah, not even sure. It basically just had like a little slide. But I think that's it for now. I'm sure weather's gonna get worse. The storm has
Would you like these front windows cracked a little bit?
Yeah, go for it. The storm has passed. Now the sky looks blue and beautiful. The birds are out making chirpy noises. And all the trees and the plants are leaning out trying to grab us. Because they have rain. Yay, rain.
Weird, Michelle.
Yes, but you still love me.
The Oklahoma light switch.
Yes. So since I did the video earlier showing some of the miserable weather, I thought I'd show you how beautiful it looks now that it's dinner time. This has only been how many hours, you think?
3 or 4 hours.
Yeah, 3 or 4 hours between. I already know what you're going to ask. It's Coheed and Cambria.